Xin chào, everyone. Welcome back to Imagenish videos. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure to explore one of Vietnam's most delicious and underrated dishes, Goi du du co bo. But that's not all. We're also going to uncover some unknown facts about this dish that will leave you amazed. So, grab your chopsticks and let's dive right into the world of Goi du du co bo. Before we start creating this mouth-watering dish, let's discover its intriguing history. Goi du du co bo, also known as Vietnamese papaya salad with beef jerky, has a rich and fascinating backstory. The dish's roots can be traced back to the Mekong Delta region in southern Vietnam, where papayas flourish, and beef jerky is a popular snack. The locals ingeniously combined these ingredients to create a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Goi du du co bo embodies the essence of Vietnamese cuisine, fresh, vibrant, and full of contrasting elements that come together beautifully. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and learn how to prepare the key ingredients for Goi du du co bo. The beef is marinated with a blend of spices, then dried to perfection, resulting in a savory and slightly chewy texture. In addition to papaya and beef jerky, Goi du du co bo incorporates herbs, peanuts, and a zesty dressing. It's a symphony of flavors and textures. Now that we've got our ingredients ready, let's dive into assembling this delightful dish. Begin by mixing the green papaya, beef jerky, herbs, and peanuts together. The colors and textures in this dish are just mesmerizing. And for the final touch, we prepare a zesty dressing that includes lime juice, fish sauce, sugar, and chili for that perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. Now that we've explored the culinary process, let's uncover some lesser-known facts about Goi du du co bo. Did you know that this dish has ancient roots dating back to the Cham people who once inhabited Vietnam? They were masters of blending flavors and introduced many elements that we still see in modern Vietnamese cuisine today. Goi du du co bo has evolved over the years. Traditionally, it was made with buffalo meat, but today, beef jerky is more commonly used. This shows how Vietnamese cuisine adapts and continues to surprise. So, the dish we enjoy today is a result of centuries of culinary evolution. Goi du du co bo isn't just a single dish. It has regional variations that add even more depth to Vietnamese cuisine. In Hanoi, you might find a sweeter version of the dish, while in Ho Chi Minh City, it's all about balancing sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. Each region adds its unique twist. And don't forget the coastal regions. They often include fresh seafood like shrimp and squid to create a seafood Goi du du co bo that's out of this world. Besides being incredibly delicious, Goi du du co bo is also known for its health benefits. Let's explore that aspect. This dish offers a perfect balance of protein from the beef jerky, fiber from the papaya, and essential vitamins from the herbs. It's a wholesome meal in a bowl. And did you know that green papaya is rich in enzymes that aid digestion? It's no wonder this dish is a staple in Vietnamese households. Goi du du co bo isn't just a dish. It's also deeply intertwined with Vietnamese culture and traditions. It's often served during family reunions, weddings, and other special occasions, symbolizing togetherness and prosperity. Sharing this dish with loved ones is a cherished tradition. It's a way of honoring our heritage and celebrating the flavors that define Vietnam. Goi du du co bo is not just loved in Vietnam, it's gaining popularity worldwide. Let's explore its global journey. In recent years, you can find variations of this dish on menus in Vietnamese restaurants around the world, from New York to Paris. I've seen people from all walks of life fall in love with Goi du du co bo. It's the perfect fusion of flavors that can delight anyone's taste buds. Now that we've uncovered the history, ingredients, and cultural significance of Goi du du co bo, it's time to prepare and savor this delightful dish ourselves. Mix all the ingredients together gently, ensuring that the dressing coats everything evenly. And there you have it, Goi du du co bo, a masterpiece of flavors and textures. It's been an incredible journey exploring the world of Goi du du co bo. This dish not only tantalizes the taste buds but also tells a beautiful story of Vietnam's rich culinary heritage. Now, it's your turn to experience the magic of Goi du du co bo. Head to your nearest Vietnamese restaurant or try making it at home. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Imagenish videos for more exciting journeys into the world of food, culture, and exploration. Until next time, happy cooking, and Xin Chào from Vietnam.